Hey traders, it's Alan, your trusted guide in the world of trading.
My team and I have developed a trading bot that significantly simplifies financial management. Over the past year, the results have been truly impressive. We've spent 11 months perfecting it. Many of my subscribers already have free access to this bot and are sharing their successes. Our community has grown to over 11,000 members, each finding their unique path to success with this tool, even those just starting out. If you're interested in giving it a try, the link is in the description and pinned comment. I'm already on the platform, selecting the main players now and adding the RSI indicator. The bot suggests I should just trust its guidance and follow. But it's always important to think critically and analyze why it's making these recommendations. All right, the bot points to the first pair. Okay, let's look up. Why this direction? Because the upward trend played out, followed by a slight correction. I trust the bot and anticipate the trend will continue upward. Done. Wow, textbook perfect. I love it when everything aligns so clearly. Next, we have a pair from Australia and the US heading downward this time. Here's the deal. The indicator has been hinting at divergence for a while now. Finally, there's a pin bar. Plus, a red candlestick jumped in right after, so I'm expecting a correction. Yes. Let's keep going. All right, let's pick these guys next. This one's pretty straightforward. There was a strong bounce off a level. The candlesticks are big and confident, meaning there's serious buying happening here. No contradictions, following the recommendations and going upward. Wow, this is flawless. Straight out of a manual. Let's move on.
By the way, you can trade from any device, smartphones, tablet, or a computer. The main thing is to have the internet connection and be able to open Telegram. Our trading bot is synced with a Telegram bot, so you don't need to set up complex configurations or broker integrations. It runs totally on its own. To access our bot, click the link in the description, join our Telegram chat, and message me directly. I'll provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to connect the trading bot.
Now, what do we have here? I'm going down, and here's why. I see the trend has shifted downward. The candle just broke the previous low, then boom, bounced back to retest the accumulation zone, taking the bounce downward. Oh, how satisfying. Just as expected, the bot doesn't let me down. I'm happy to guide you and explain why the bot chooses to act this way. The key takeaway is to remember that risks are always possible, but here the likelihood is extremely low. Why? Because our team has worked hard to minimize them. Even if there are minor drawdowns, the bot is programmed to recover effectively. This one's textbook. The candle is moving downward, but I anticipate a retest of the level. In situations like this, the key is not to overreact. Everything is clear, just keep watching. All right, moving forward.
Trading with a bot won't be challenging, especially when I'm here to assist all my subscribers through my Telegram channel. I guide them through platform settings and trading sessions using the bot. They always shower me with thank you messages. Forget the old-fashioned way of doing things. Signing up for professional courses, using a ton of charts. You're bound to make mistakes at first. Embrace technology and try AI for training. A skilled team of experienced traders and developers collaborated in order to create it. Our AI bot gets updated and enhanced every single day. Want to test our bot for free? Follow the link in the description or the pinned message.
All right, back to the Australian and American partners, as recommended. The indicator has hit the lower boundary, and what do we see? Divergence Plus, there's a bounce and a return to the level. This, my friends, is a golden ticket. Going up because this is too good to miss. Yes, once again, the bot nailed it again. Even so, doing a quick personal review is always a good idea. How's the bot working for you? Of course, results depend on many factors, and no one can guarantee ironclad success. However, thanks to carefully optimized settings, we've minimized the risks. The bot always has a plan to navigate challenges and handle various scenarios effectively. After this video, you can try it out yourself for free. And don't worry if you're inexperienced. Experience isn't required. All you need is the desire to learn and dive in. And finally, Swiss versus Japanese are back in the spotlight. We've got a solid upward trend, but now there's a correction with a localized sideways movement. What does that tell us? Simple. The indicator has cooled off, dropped from its peak, and is taking a moment to reset. I'm going up from the lower range of the sideways zone. The trend is still strong, just catching its breath. Wow, what a finish. Feels like the final chord of a favorite song. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. This was powerful, and the bot, as always, delivered top-notch results.
If there are any questions on how to use the trading bot, how to work with it on a platform, welcome to our Telegram channel. I'm always there to assist new traders and answer any questions. I walk them through everything step by step, down to details like which button to press. Join us by taking 2 simple steps. 1. Subscribe to my Telegram channel using the link in the description. And 2. Send me a private message. You'll find the link in the description and in the first pinned message. Don't forget to drop me a message. That's all for today. Bye-bye.